Hello, let's talk about structural grid solutions. Up to this point, our focus has been on data center applications where there are heavy loads and an inefficient means for suspending them. DYNAMAX and PRELUDE XLMAX grid solve load carrying challenges in these spaces. But there's more. I'm going to walk you through other spaces where DYNAMAX and PRELUDE XLMAX provide structural suspension solutions while saving you time, material, and labor. The longer I've worked with contractors, the more I've realized there are a lot of projects where something heavy needs to be suspended, from medical and biotech facilities to the 21st century grocery store or convenience store, where automation leaves a mass of devices installed on the ceiling plane. Think about manufacturing and clean rooms to industrial distribution warehouses. There's also broadcast studios and VR simulation rooms. Finally, there's hospitality, sports arenas, casinos, transportation, and convention centers, where there always seems to be something decorative and heavy suspended from above. Here's 3 real project examples that illustrate what I'm talking about. First, in Minnesota, a large hospital lobby was designed around the suspension of around 100 canoe-shaped plaster-formed GFRG clouds. Now, these canoes were to be suspended by a laborious network of intersecting strut framing. When the contractor learned about our PRELUDE XLMAX that handles up to 300-pound point loads, it was a no-brainer for his acoustical crew to simply click together PRELUDE XLMAX, paint it black, and suspend canoes. After consulting with our technical team with the project's load-carrying requirements, the contractor was able to suspend with hanger wire, not threaded rod. That was huge. In Texas, a premier high school institution had a broadcast studio where electrical, lighting, camera gear needed to be suspended while still being easily reconfigurable on the fly. DYNAMAX structural aluminum grid solved the challenge in a single ceiling solution while eliminating 2 levels of strut to acoustical ceiling systems. DYNAMAX installed quickly while improving the aesthetics with 1 ceiling plane. The integrated 3/8-inch threaded slot allowed for fast and easy fixture reconfigurations, while the finished installation boasts up to 900-pound point loads. To top that, if you only need DYNAMAX in part of the room, then install PRELUDE or Superfine in the rest of the room. With the Axiom bosses and DYNAMAX, standard suspension system integration is a breeze. Now that's how you put strength where you need it. Finally, a massive Ohio warehouse had specified a 2-level ceiling with strut and stud modules, suspended in the plenum to carry heavy loads, combined with an acoustical ceiling grid below. This installation was 475,000 square feet, which means a lot of unnecessary time, material, and labor. The contractor worked with our technical team and submitted PRELUDE XLMAX suspended by 9-gauge wire every 4 feet as an alternate to accommodate the devices and equipment. The fact that this configuration with PRELUDE XLMAX carried up to 246-pound point loads won the owner and the tenant over in a heartbeat. It's not every job that needs these solutions, but when the right project comes along, few manufacturers can solve your structural suspension challenges better than Armstrong. To learn more about Armstrong structural grid solutions, visit armstrongceilings.com/data centers.